Hello everyone. Happy to see all of you today. Jane, how is it going for you? Oh, great. And you, Carlos? Amazing. Alex, anything you want to share? Oh, perfect. Yeah, I'm doing pretty fine too. Thank you for asking. Okay. So, really happy to see that all of you are in good mood today, so we can start. As you can already see, our today's lesson will be focused on speaking and listening skills, and we will be talking about some particular technology, as you can guess from the title. But before, let us start with some warm up questions. So, have you guys ever thought how has technology changed over the last 50 years? Alex, could you answer this question? Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, Carlos, anything you would want to add? Okay, I see. Yeah, good. And what would be your ideas on how technology is going to develop in the future? So let's imagine in next 20 years. What's gonna happen? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Nice thoughts, guys. Yeah, I have similar ideas actually. Okay, Jane, could you please share your personal feelings about those changes? Are you looking forward to them or you feel a bit uneasy thinking of it? I see. All right, great. Thank you all for sharing. So, let's talk about one specific technology that has become very popular lately. AI, as you can already see. Do you guys know what AI is? What it stands for? Uh-huh. Yeah. Carlos, any ideas? Yeah, great. Okay. Alex, anything to add? Okay. Yep. Amazing. Yes. So, as you already know, AI, it is artificial intelligence. So, it is a machine which designed to sort of think or solve problems in a way that seems intelligent. Okay, and what forms of AI do you know actually? What can it possibly be? Well, for example, it can be Siri, like the one you have in your phone, probably, the voice assistant. What else? Yes, it can be tools for writing essays, right? Okay, Jane. Translate, yeah, translators, of course. Why not? Definitely translators. Okay. And if we talk about some more serious use of AI, where else it could be used? I don't know, for example, in medicine. Could it be used in medicine? Alex? Yeah. Yeah, actually, AI is used to even diagnose diseases nowadays. Yes. So it is becoming a part of our everyday lives in every aspect. Okay, right. And how often do you guys actually use AI? Uh-huh, okay, yes. And Carlos, what type of AI do you use mostly? Chat, of course, ChatGPT, yes, definitely. Of course, that's exactly what I imagined. All right. Jane, and you? Also. Oh, all right. Okay, so AI is great, but it is better not to overuse it, of course. Yes. So, as I already mentioned, today we are going to listen to a video discussing whether AI is the greatest invention of the century. So we will listen to it twice. First time for general understanding and second for a more detailed one. However, before we start, I would like to discuss just one more thing with you, which is a particular note-taking method. So before I explain what you see right now on your screen, can you please tell me, do you usually take notes when you listen to something? For example, to some video or audio during your lessons at school? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. Jane, and do you find it useful when you make notes? Oh, okay. Sometimes you're confused. Yes, it definitely happens. So this is why this method exists, actually. So Cornell note-taking method is a method that many students use in schools and universities across the world. It is very popular. And yes, trust me, it is going to make your life much easier when you are listening to something or perhaps even reading some complicated passage. So what you need to do for this method is to divide your page into three parts like it's shown on the picture. So in this column, which is called the Q column, you write questions or keywords, just short phrases that help you understand and remember what you're listening to. This is where you take notes during the audio. You write down some main ideas, details, anything that sounds important to you. Yes. And after you finish listening, you write a short summary, just 2 or 3 sentences to explain what the audio was about overall. So, in here, you can see the instructions written once again. And also, you can use Cornell note-taking method also when you, for example, prepare for exam. So you have taken your notes during the lecture and you need to learn them. So you write questions in the Q column and cover the note-taking column and you answer to those questions which you have written in here. So it is like self-checking exercise, sort of, yes. Okay, so I want you to try this method right now when we will first listen to our video. Once again, use left side for questions or keywords, big right side for detailed notes, and at the end write a short summary. Yes. So, as I told you, you need to prepare papers. So please prepare it right now and just 2 minutes to prepare your pages for the note-taking method. Good. Any questions? Any problems? Any issues? Okay, great. None. Super. Waiting.